Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Big day ahead of us, guys. Listen, I'm not going to be looking to trade today. I'm going to be straight up with you guys. I've been monitoring these markets. It's very, very shitty right now, okay? You'll need to realize today is Good Friday. We're going into the long weekend. We're going to have fewer people trading today. This giant move that I have been tracking on the dirty is 30 pips. How big does that candle look to you guys? On the dirty, this would ideally be a 100 pip move. Okay, but 30 pips, it's horrible. Okay, gold is shut today for the ones that are asking. All metals are shut for Good Friday, and oops, my bad. Yeah, I'm gonna share my screen. All right, so all metals are shut, and okay, 1 second. All right, here you go. This is the candle that I was talking about. This whole candle, that's a 30 pip candle. And I've been charting this from the past hour now, waiting for this move to happen. And then I see it's 30 pips. So horrible volume, not too many people that are going to be trading these markets. I would recommend you guys, especially the ones on the live challenges, just stay away from these markets today. I personally am not looking to take any trades. I'm way past my weekly goal, you guys. I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but after the session yesterday, I managed to catch a quick 12 grand on the same US 30 buy that I was waiting for on the session. Patience paid off. All right, so just with that, it hit my weekly target. I'm not going to force anything today. If we get a move for NFP, we get a move, but I'm going to keep this stream really short and sweet. And if we make something, we make something. Listen, I don't want you guys coming to me after the stream and telling me that you've blown up your accounts. All right, I kid you all not. It's high time that you guys pick up the discipline. Um, if you're going to be trading this, use 1/10 of your position. All right, if you're taking anything more than that, that's on you. Okay, either go on with a demo account or trade 1/10 of your position. Okay, so if you're looking for, if you're going to be looking for, sorry, if you're going to be, sorry, I just got zoned out there for a second. But if you're going to be trading, if you normally trade $100, today you're trading 10. If you normally trade $10, today you're trading 1. All right, I would say don't even stick with tens, nothing of that sort. Just stay away from these markets today, you guys. I don't have a very good feeling. We will get a move, but this volume doesn't excite me, man. And you all know me. I thrive on volume, okay? So let's see if they want to give us any sort of moves. Clean moves. You fell asleep, can't afford to make those mistakes, man. The volume all morning across currencies and indices have been around 1/4 the average. Yeah, Jared, it's because of NFP, and I think I might have told you on our session yesterday, but this NFP is a weird one. Um, we've got gold that's shut, so we can only imagine the gap up or down that's going to be on gold come Monday after a long weekend, and NFP having its after effects. It's going to be ugly. Okay. That being said, I don't want any of y'all, if some of y'all are swing trading, please don't be holding your positions over this weekend, okay? If you're already stuck in gold and you have a position open, God bless y'all, all right? But don't be getting into any positions on these indices over this long weekend. What exactly do we trade then? Just crypto? Well, sometimes it's good to just sit on the sidelines and watch. All right, sometimes it's good to trade with the intention of educating yourself and with the intention of learning rather than just trading to make money. We can't trade indices or metals. Yeah, some. Um, is this which prop firm is this? FTMO and MFF. I know that I have guys on both. Are y'all able? I'm currently on my individual account, so I can trade the indices. Millzone, stay away from these markets today. Okay, I'm just letting you know, buddy. Don't take any trades. Um, just don't. All right, just stay out of it in its entirety. The indices are not shut. No. Have fun on paper. That's good. MFF is closed. Sorry, you guys. Okay, so then y'all don't have an option. Y'all are watching. Don't think I even wanted to. I agree, brother. MFF is closed except for Nasty and Dirty, but I'm sticking to the demo. Guys, are y'all sure y'all can't trade Millzone? Could you please check on that for me? Could you just open up your MetaTrader on MFF and check if the forex pairs are all open. The forex pairs are all open, but Millzone, if you could please just check on the indices for me. The currencies are open. Only currencies for MFF, no indices. Okay. Well, if you guys want, I can do y'all a quick GU top down, if that's what y'all would like. Good idea, Buff. Stay away, okay? Good, good, good. Yeah, today's gonna be shitty, you guys. Trust me. Let's the moves are gonna be there, but these aren't gonna be clean moves. It's just gonna be dirty volatility, and we don't need that. Okay, well, let's just watch. Grab some popcorn, grab a drink, grab a joint, whatever it is that you enjoy, and let's just watch. Not every trading day has to be one to make money. All right, sometimes it's good to just educate yourself on what these markets are doing, and especially not today. All right, Europe is shut. Those markets are shut. We have shitty volume with the US. Gold is shut. There's not too much going on, alright? Okay. Alright, that's good. Let's get our... Actually, you know what? Fuck it. I don't need to do a whole top down. We have a pretty clear thing going on right here. Let's just go straight to the 5. Okay. Alright. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get this done really quickly. Okay, looks good. Okay, solid. Let's take a quick look at the 15-minute. That's what we're looking for. Alright, nice solid trend line coming in there. Nice trend line coming in here. Okay, awesome. Cool. Alright, so we could look at these levels for GU. Okay, so for the ones that have your FX pairs open and nothing else, we could be looking for some nice cute little buys up there. And we could be looking at some nice little sells down here. Don't even think of asking me for a bias today, you guys, because I'm not trading like that today, okay? I'm not even looking for any trades. If we stumble upon something, we're going to take it. If not, I myself am staying away from these markets today. I hit my weekly target last night, so I'm not stressing. Okay? I like this flip from support to resistance. Maybe we have a little bit of a retrace. Boom, boom, boom. All right, cool. So we have our levels marked up for GU. For the ones trading GU, watch this. Try to think of some juicy education to go over for the editor. Sounds good, man. I got you. Okay, let's see if GU. There you go. That's the GU impulse starting to play out right now. Let's take a look at the indices. All right. So if you guys are trading GU, that's your impulse. Okay. Now listen. I understand if y'all don't feel too comfortable getting in right now because y'all don't want to be getting in to any sort of trades right before news, because what happens when news releases, there's an injection of volume that gets pushed into these markets, and then your brokers just end up taking advantage of you, throwing your spreads to a crazy level and doing all of that stuff as well. Okay, so it's always best to just stay away from that first impulsive candle of news, let all the noise come through, and then we'll catch the retracements. Okay, because listen, we're technical traders. This is what we do here at Forex Trading. We analyze these markets and we don't chase no trades. We let these trades come to us, all right? Let's see if we break our demand. Stop loss for just in case, 20 pips. 20 pips, tacos. Calculate 20 pips and that's your stop loss. You don't want to have anything more than 20. And guys, I'm telling y'all, if any of y'all ends up losing an account and if y'all are not using 1/10 of your position, that's on you. Okay, straight up, don't be stupid. I'm telling you guys 100 times that watch out today. Don't over leverage your account at all. Don't even get your account in these markets right now. Okay, all right, so sells. I had this level marked out, but now we're gonna look for that. Okay, let's look for that psychological 50. I have been through, take the words that Kram just said like a Bible. There's a lot. Absolutely, man. Okay, they're starting to gear up. Let's see you guys. Alright, guys, I'm not going to be on GU. We have about 40 seconds to go. I am going to be on the dirty. Okay? Alright, so just in case, I have about 30 seconds. I'm going to set a little order, nothing too big, for around this area. Or if you guys feel more comfortable than up there, but I wouldn't recommend you all to set orders, okay? Because this could completely whip back down. I'm going to do maybe that area. Okay, somewhere there. Give me a quick second. All right. And watch your spreads, you guys. Watch your freaking spreads. All right. So this is NFP. Look at that. They went fucking bearish. Okay, but this is NFP, man. This is NFP. And boom, I got triggered. That's it. I'm pulling out my position right now. I just pulled out 4,000 and 3,000. I got triggered. 4,000 and 4,000. I just pulled out 8 grand from Nasty. I'm in and out. Scary. Very, very scary. But I just pulled out. Let me show you guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm not going to ask who caught that with me because, like I said, I know you guys weren't probably trading this first candle, okay? But I'm going to send out my position to y'all. Yes, let's do this. Did anyone get in? Did anyone get in with a feeder or anything of that sort at all? Let's take a look at GU. Fuck me. Sold. And it sold like a beautiful break, retest, rejection, and a continuation. Let me send my position, you guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so fucking happy. I love it. Nasty gave it to us today. Well, gave it to me at least. Well, that was fast. Yeah, that's news, man. And you have to be quick. Just like I was right here, right now. You have to be quick. Okay? And like we suggested, the buys are kicking in. Look at The dirty pushed up high, beautiful move. Those were the buys on the dirty. All right, look at that. Lovely move. Let's see if they want to reject and get the sells in, or they still want to push. Okay, so the bias was still right. We're still heading up for the buys. Let's see how this candle closes, okay? In the meantime, I'm going to send you all my juicy trade. All right, 2 positions, in, out. I honestly saw profits that were a lot higher, but it closed at this, okay? And it is what it is. I'm not complaining. But you see, guys, price action was telling us this first impulse had to push up bullish, and I like the fact that they're trying to hold this right now, okay? So this seems the buyers are definitely more in control than the sellers at this point. Where is... Okay, there you go. All right, so in all honesty, that one position that you guys see that I closed at 5,300, 5,310, that for me was at 14K when I closed it. All right, and it shut me out at 5,300. But I'm not complaining, it's all good. But yeah, I made what I had to. Lovely. Cram, today you seem a little bit less energetic. All good. Yeah, everything's good, man. Cash isn't feeling too well, and she's actually sleeping right here near me, so I'm just trying to keep my voice slightly down. But that's it. Thanks for asking, man. All good, all good. I'm sorry. I hope everything not. Oh no, man. It's just she's fine. She's good. It's just a bit moody, is all. You should have figured it out, but it's all good. She'll be fine. Okay. GU still pushing. Did anyone even take an impulse? Was any of you trading even the impulse or anything of that sort across the board, or was I literally the only one that got in on a trade? Nasty buy. Okay, good. Just demo. That's good. That's good. Even I'm saying even if y'all are on demo, it doesn't matter. I'm not asking if y'all got in on the trade to make money, but I'm just asking to practice, to learn whatever it is. But did you guys attempt to get in on any of these setups? I was ready for GBP, missed it since it was an open. Yeah, man. That's the way these red folders release. It can be pretty crazy. Okay, but Nast dirty is soaring high. Let's see the second candle. Okay, let's see if the second candle wants to close, retest our daily, and then push up. Oh, look at that. Okay. Let's see. I'm watching this closely. I don't want this candle to retrace back too much. It could come back down to half this candle, but that's a very, very volumized candle on the dirty right now, okay? And Nasty is going up bullish as well. Okay. Let's see if it's going to come back down. Always assume the second candle is going to open up green, red, and retest your entry point. That's your rejection. Alright, let's see, you guys. I am getting enticed, but I don't want to. Okay, expect the retest down to the daily, or maybe to about that area. Okay, somewhere there, half that candle. GU, oof. Come on, you guys. Beautiful move on GU. Did you set a stop loss on your limit order? Yes, I had a very wide stop loss as well. Well, not a very wide stop loss, but I did have a considerable stop loss. The only reason I actually got in on the order and confidently was So I didn't set orders going both ways, right? That's the mistake that retail did. I set the order only towards my bias in these markets. I thought the markets were gonna buy, which is why I set only a buy order. So that gave me more confidence, and I did have a stop loss for it, yes, but not a very wide one. But if I thought the markets were going to be buying based off of price action, and I'm setting sell orders, then I'm going to have to keep like a freaking 100 pip stop loss, which is ridiculous. But yes, to answer your question, I didn't see any reds on this. It was instantly because this flashed, it opened to the downside, and boom, it just pushed up straight. So yeah, it was pretty good. All right, coming down into the retest. Caught it again though, just a second, haha, for like barely anything though. It's all good, man. It's all good. Okay, and now they're starting to come right back down. Next support on GU. Next support on GU. Next support on GU. Next support on GU. Right there. There. Solid move on GU. Choppy moves in the indices, but guys, just can y'all even imagine how gold's gonna open up on Monday? We're gonna get to see some ugly gaps, man. I pity swing traders, and especially I pretty uninformed swing traders, guys that didn't know gold was shot today. Someone messaged me, right? I'm not gonna name the person, obviously, but from the one-on-ones, and they messaged me and they told me that they were in a swing trade, and even though I think it was $1 a pip, but they didn't realize that gold is shot today, and they thought that they'd get the position out before NFP. But yeah, I hope it goes in their favor. But that's honestly a trader's nightmare. That's one of the worst things that could happen. You guys need to educate yourself on these things, man. You need to know when the markets are shut. You need to know when the markets are open. Do your own research. Look it up on the internet. The more you do it, the more you'll realize it. It's not just about Christmas or New Year, but it's about multiple occasions that we come through the year. And I mean, how many of y'all were surprised that gold is shut today? I'm sure a lot of you, right? But it's you've got to be informed, you know. If you go to uni, you're gonna know when you're off, right? It's the same thing, you know. Treat this as a job. This is your job. You need to know when the office is shut, when the security you're trading is shut. Gold's gonna be horrible. Okay, so we're testing half that candle like we spoke about. Let's see if we want to hold. Yep, here you go. That's the GU level. Could tighten that up there. This is done. Okay, we could still get the move, yes, but this looks like it's done. Okay, now these markets are gonna continue to be choppy, you guys. Now they're just gonna be choppy. Prep up for another stupid, unpredictable move like this. Well, this one was pretty predictable to be fair, but for market open, they're probably gonna wreck some, and I'm not willing to risk anything, you guys. Um, I made my money today, man. I wasn't looking to make anything, but I did anyway. Alright, guys, you'll need to build the confidence, okay? And you're only going to be able to build the confidence when you have the rules and the discipline in place, and you're only and only going to be able to successfully trade these markets when you start holding yourself accountable for anything that happens to your account. Okay? If you don't follow your rules, your set rules, you're going to lose your account. It's that simple. This whole game of trading, it's a game of probability. These markets are not in our control. I've said it 100 times. I'm going to say it again. We do not have a magic ball in front of us that tells us to buy now or sell now. We trade these markets based off of our previous experiences, and you need to just be able to look at this like a game. You know, set hard rules, know when to get in, when to get out, when to go break even, when to have your stop loss, where to have your set rules for yourself. And trust me, you guys will see how things will change, because the only way you're not going to gamble these markets is by one, respecting a strategy, and two, respecting a goddamn strategy. All right, so just do what you've got to do, and over time you'll see that things start to make sense. You'll be able to put two and two together. You'll see your account compound to the upside, and that's going to be forex changing your lives. Okay, Millzone, I just gave you two snippets, my man. I did one earlier as well, 3 videos. Don't you love the fact that I'm an actor, man? I love being in front of the camera so much, bro. I can keep talking. And if it's something that I know as much as I do with trading, I got you forever, man. When you set your rules though, when you set your rules though, when confidence grows, is it an option to change? Absolutely, man. You could 100% change your rules. Listen, the rules we give y'all are the rules based off of the strategy that we created. Okay, the way the strategy, even though the structure of the strategy is the same that we teach you guys on the one-on-ones, um, you have to mold it to make it yours, because the way I trade is going to be different from the way you trade, JJ. That's going to be different from the way Cash trades. That's going to be different from the way Millzone trades. It's going to be different. We all trade differently. We're all different, unique individuals, right? So I give you the strategy, but you have to use the strategy and mold it to how it works for you, which means set the rules now, trade those set rules, build the discipline through that, and if you think something's working out better for you and you need to change the rules, knock yourself out. You know, the ball's in your court, man. I've thrown it at you. Score. You know, it's up to you now. Trial and error for the most part. Well, it's not trial and error, yes, but there are just specific formulas. You know, there's a specific way to calculate risk management, which again we break down on the one-on-one sessions. But it's not really trial and error. If it's about trial and error, it's more about trial and error with the entry exit strategy, right? So physically taking your trades, literally hitting buy, hitting sell, changing it to break even, taking your stop loss, taking those things. You're going to get better at with trial and error. But when it comes to the strategy, it's pretty set in place. You know, we have the entry exit strategy, we have the 10 pip rule, we have the 20 pip rule. If you wanted, you could have a 50 pip rule. You'd still be using the same strategy, but you're just molding it to a way, in a way that will work better for you. I hope that makes sense. I feel like I've been setting my rules this week, been disciplined, and it's worked. Cheers, JJ. I reckon it's after that last session, huh? I feel the trading strategy can be the same. Absolutely, man, because everyone's a different trader. Everyone. Um, I'm not kidding when I say this. You know, there are so many things that go into that account for our entry points to be exit. Entry points to be exit. What the fuck? That account for our entry points to be different, right? Because yes, we could be trading the same chart with the same broker, but a milliseconds different could change our spreads. Um, our internet connection could maybe get my order to be filled quicker than yours, which will again change your entry point. Um, Maybe your phone is laggy, so you hit buy or sell and it takes half a second more than my phone took, and that changes our entry point. It's endless. Our entry points are never going to be the same. Now you have the basic fundamentals of the strategy. Figure out how it works for you. It's pretty straightforward. Looking forward to my one-ones. Cheers, camper. I feel like I'm getting there, but just need to clear up a few things. For sure, man. We got you. We got you. Don't stress about it. Too many variables to worry about. Yeah, exactly. You know, so don't stress. All right. The only way you're not gonna emotionally trade these markets, or the only way you're not gonna gamble these markets, if I may, is by following a strategy and rules. Okay. See, with the TA, we give that to you guys every single day. All right. So y'all have our charts, and y'all know that our levels will hit. Guys, 1 second. I need to do that again. My camera went off. Whoopsie. 1 second, you guys. Fucking hell. Right. So, like I was saying, we give you guys the technical analysis, right? You'll have our charts every single day. You'll look at our levels. You'll trust in our levels because you'll see that they play out. You'll have the TA, all right? And we're going to continue to give you guys the TA. For the people on the one-on-one, and not just the one-on-ones, for the people that come and join us here, like I'm doing it on the free live forum right now, we also give you guys the strategy. We give you guys the entry, exit strategy. But you need to figure out how that works for you, man, because that third part of the puzzle, like I keep saying, the psychological part of this game, that's in your hands. You need to be able to put the emotions aside. You need to be able to completely negate all of that stuff and just trade with your trading plan, trade your strategy. It all comes full circle back to this, you guys. Literally, you could go through a thousand YouTubers, you could go through 10,000 coaches, you could do whatever you want to do. But if you don't have the risk management, the strategy, the discipline, you can't be profitable at all. Today, I had a one-on-one this morning, and I give them a little example, right? Literally, if Biden, Millzone, say Biden gives you a call right now, and he says, you know what, Nasty's gonna fucking fall, okay? And you're like, all right, man, thank you so much. I appreciate that. I'm gonna start shorting the market. I promise you, if you don't have risk management, even with Biden himself giving you that information, you'll still end up blowing your freaking account, bro. Because risk management is that important. So the analysis, yes, 100%, you need that. But if you don't have the risk management to go with it, it's all pointless. You know what I'm saying? I hope it's making sense to you guys. Milzone's in shock. He's like, what? Really? Did I miss a call? How to figure out risk management. Risk management is different for everyone. It's different for every account. There's no textbook way. You have to start looking at these markets in terms of pips, and then you need to calculate your risk accordingly. So I can't tell you that if you have 100K, you're going to risk these many lots. That's not the way it works. But yeah, it's different, and you need to figure it out. There's a lot of information out there, so you could go ahead and check that out on the internet. And of course, on the one-on-ones, we break these things down personally, customized to the accounts that people trade. I would love a one-on-one, but not sure I can afford it. It's a way to increase the account. No. Okay, buddy, no worries. We're right here. Absolutely, the markets hardly run in a straight line. Yeah. Only person getting that call on Nasty will be Cash. Yeah, man. Poor thing's fast asleep. She has no idea I'm even live right now. She told me for London, she was like, I'm not trading NFP, I'm not feeling well. I was like, okay, baby. She's been sleeping for like the past 3 hours now. Okay, but we got the moves, you guys. I hope that, listen, I don't expect you guys to have traded this, okay? I really don't. I did, but I don't expect you guys to have done this. And um, I hope that even if you haven't taken trades, you were able to understand and get value out of what just happened today. I hope you're able to just see how we look at these markets, because you might have heard me say it a ton of times earlier, right? That trading news is an art within itself. It's an art within itself. Trading news like this is not just an art within itself, but it's a whole different freaking. It's completely different, right? I mean, we have. Today was just one of those days, with Easter around the corner, with Good Friday. It's just, this is not price respecting levels the way it should. I don't get why GBP tanked while Nasdaq and US 30 pumped. Alright, so let me clear this for you guys. There is rarely a correlation within these securities, okay? Nasdaq is the tech companies. US 30 is it's a different index with completely different companies. Sometimes you'll see them correlate, but other times they're not going to correlate. You guys remember just yesterday, Nasty was buying and the Dirty was selling, right? So these things are going to happen. They're not going to always correlate. And the reason the GBP is falling right now, well, technically you could make a correlation within this, but what is the GBP? It's the Great Britain pound versus the US dollar. If the US dollar is weak, the GBP goes up. Right? Does that make sense? And vice versa, of course. Right? So when the dollar, or in this case the indices, are pushing bullish, GBP is tanking and going to the downside because it is the Great Britain pound versus the US dollar. So on that chart, on this chart, GBP is your base, right? Go and watch the videos on Forex Academy, you guys. This, to me, Millzone, we need to tag this shit because this, to me, says that you guys haven't watched Forex Academy as yet, all right? This is GBP versus the pound. So if the USD is pushing high, naturally GBP versus USD is going to push down. Okay, I hope that makes things a little clearer to you. What plans do you guys have for Easter? Are the turkeys coming out? What is happening? I just want to eat something since everything's pretty slow. Oh yeah, man, we're done. We're almost closing the session. Nothing much, just watching gold. You're gonna be watching gold. Oh, I thought I was just gonna ask you. You're gonna be watching gold for Easter, man. Watching golf, awesome. I'm gonna be watching the UFC. Super exciting card, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Looking forward to the weekend off. We're also headed out for some family plans tomorrow night, so just gonna spend Easter with the fam. Great fights. Tell me about it, man. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. Forgot about the UFC. Oh yeah, man. Very very big one. I wouldn't say I'm just a UFC fan. I'm a martial arts fan in general. Yeah, but definitely a big UFC fan for sure. Yeah, yeah. I'm not putting no money on anyone this weekend. I've had a great trading week, and I have a track record, you guys. I make money over here and I lose it betting on the UFC. So I'm happy with just enjoying it for what it is. Yeah, I'm pretty. I bet there emotionally. Listen, I'm a sucker for stories. Okay, I am a filmmaker. I am a storyteller. I'm an actor. I'm a pretty artistic guy apart from the financial side of things. Okay, and yeah, a good storyline, which is basically all of these um, um, what all of these productions do. They're basically selling storylines. The fighters are only the byproduct. It's really smart. That's good stuff, man. Congratulations. Congratulations, buddy. MFF, most users who see success in one news announcement lose their account. That's so true. More users trading CFDs are all in with their daily equity balance rules than not with the ratio of. The traders with the highest payouts have the least trades on average. That's what I try to tell you guys. One setup is all you need. Alright, and this is MFF just giving out some nice little pointers, but I've been fucking telling you guys this stuff for 6 months now, okay? Who you got for main event? Um, my heart says Izzy, but yeah, maybe Pahera gets it. I don't know. It is, it is. And I've definitely got Burns over Masvidal. Like that's a fight that I wouldn't mind putting money on. I think Burns gets it. All right, guys. Okay, listen. I'm gonna call it a session. Cash literally just woke up, and she looked at me like, "Why didn't you wake me?" I mean, she still seems a little lost. Babe, NFP is done. Also, we're done with the session. I've been live for like almost an hour. Yeah. Nasdaq went super high after sorry, the Dow Jones went super high with no liquidity grab. Nasdaq got a nice bearish liquidity grab and push bullish, and still creating higher highs, but coming into a bullish pennant as of right now. Yep, potential is still to push higher. Don't you have to go? Get rest. Sorry, you guys, give me a second. Cash about to get up and trade. No, man, she's headed out. She's not feeling too well and she's got some stuff to do. She's actually been exhausted. She's been on shoot practically for 36 hours straight. Yeah, it's been exhausting for her. She needed the rest. Shoot for what? Our production house. We own a production house. It's a good day to take a day off. Absolutely, man. Oh, absolutely. All right, you guys. Listen, US is enjoying early Easter. All right, listen. I want you guys to have a great Easter with your family. Happy, happy, happy Easter. Spend with your family. Enjoy some turkey and some nice Easter eggs. Just spread happiness, spread love. Just be good, you guys. Okay, you're gonna have a great year ahead. We're all gonna have a super, super, super year ahead, and I just want to wish you guys from the bottom of our hearts a very, very, very happy Easter from all of us here at Forex Trading. Okay, you guys, Monday is going to be an off day for us. The markets are going to be open on Monday. All right, so the American markets only, so it's going to be like this basically. The sort of situation that we're seeing today, where we're going to have the American markets open, but gold will be open as well. But then we have a lot of the other European markets that are going to be shut, okay? Which means there's going to be low liquidity because it is Easter Monday, all right? So we're not going to be trading Monday. We're going to come back on Tuesday for London, all right? We're going to send out the stream schedule for you guys anyway, so make sure to refer to that. And am I missing anything, babe? Right? Told them everything, right? Okay, yes. We may have a few changes coming in next week, okay? I still haven't spoken with Millzone. I'm not too sure what the exact situation with that is, but don't be surprised if things get majorly switched up on Tuesday, okay? So I'll keep you guys updated about that. Don't worry, we're not going anywhere, but I'm excited, all right? I'm excited because we're really, really close to taking this to the next level and just jumping into the next step. Okay, so really appreciate you guys. Thank you all so much. Again, a very, very, very happy Easter to you guys and your families. Take time off from these markets. Enjoy. There's no point of making money in these markets if you're not gonna just relax and just reap the benefits. Okay, so take off. Have a good time. Spend time with your families. All right. Thank you guys so much. This was an awesome session. Please go ahead on Twitter. Make sure to tag Cram Cash and Project Whitelist. Tag Millzone as well. Just let your circle know what we're doing for you guys. Okay. And we'd love to have some more people on here. And it's going to be pretty fucking crazy because I promise you guys. All right. In the next couple of weeks, you guys are going to be hearing Forex trading everywhere. All right. Thank you guys so much. Y'all are my army of millionaires. Have a great weekend. We'll catch you guys on Monday for the one-on-ones. I don't have any slots open right now, but slots are going to open up on Tuesday. So if y'all want to get into the waiting line of the one-on-ones, message me. And as soon as we have the slot open on Tuesday, you guys will be first in line. All right. So thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the day. I'm Kram with Partners Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out. JJ Sunday, yes, man. I'll sort it out for you. Okay, just let me just figure out the timings and I'll message you. Okay, but don't worry, we'll work it out. Thanks, guys. Bye.